Today is day 2 now after the incident. We are on the way to Nana's house. What are we going to Nana's house for?
To play.
To play, because today is
A play day!
a play date, and it's also the 4th of July. So we're gonna go there. It's America's Play Day. It's a crazy thing. Our world, everything around us is literally one sidestep, 1 inch, 1 second, one misstep away from chaos. Complete and utter chaos. Yeah, the video footage you're gonna watch in just a second here is pretty intense footage, and everybody's fine, but it's intense. So just, you know, I don't know. It is what it is. For me, the question that I keep thinking of is, why wasn't I faster? Why wasn't I faster? How could I have been more ready? How could I have prevented this from happening? Like, what could I have done? Where did I fail? Where did I fail in this? It's pretty bad. And yeah, I know. You know, it's not my fault. Steve said it really well. He said, you know, you just do the best you can. You just do the best you can. I was telling Josh, you know, it's like, as a parent, you watch these little moments play out where your kids almost get hurt over and over and over again, and you see the reality of what would have been if they had fallen all the way onto that thing, or if they had tripped on this little moment, or they fell this way instead of that way. All these little moments when you're like, don't do that. Wait, stop. Be thoughtful. Slow down. And it's just horrible when it actually winds up happening. Just crazy, man. All the things that had to be in the perfect place at the perfect time, the perfect trajectory of that little piece of ember. It's just mind-blowing. And then when everything does line up, it's terrible. I guess in the same way, when everything lines up, it can be great. But in this situation, it was terrible. I'm exhausted. Tonight was crazy. It was fun, but it was tough. And everyone's okay. All's well that ends well. And everybody's okay. And this could have been way worse. Okay, so today is day 2 now after the incident. And I just wanted to talk for a second and say how happy I am that it really wasn't as bad as it felt like it was. It felt really, really bad. And it's not so bad. The boy's doing great, and everything is good. He's fine. He's walking around and everything. I feel much better, and I'm feeling grateful that it's just really not as bad. Everything seems a lot worse than it really is frequently when it comes to little kids and injuries, because he's everything. He's my entire heart. Anyway, he's good. He's good. Everything's good. That's really good. Okay. All right, bye.